I was wondering about few things from a few days. I have few challenges in front of me. Few of them are to stop the crimes and to identify the criminal. I'm not if you look at the majority public as the citizens who are becoming criminals, who are committing crimes, it is hard to find them. It is hard to you don't know where what will happen, but we know that few crimes are happening at the political level, at the politician level. A few government officers are committing crimes, a few police officers are committing crimes, and I have been very angry, not knowing how to stop this. I just want to eliminate them because that is the only thing that I can see, because they are not stopping at any cost. They are not stopping their actions on innocent people. So I got into the thought thinking why they became so cruel. An ordinary individual thinks to build something on his own, but a psychopath thinks only about living comforts. They imagine living with a lot of women. A hardworking man may also think about living with a lot of women. That's not a problem, but this is a very subtle difference between an honest man. So they create this kind of suspicion, confusion among individuals, and they are torturing innocent people. They are accusing honest people, innocent people as perverts, and many people are committing suicides. So we have to stop these things from the political level. If the society becomes alert, if the honest people become alert, we can easily identify the person who may commit crime, and we just have to be serious, and probably they don't commit a crime, and we can identify if they are becoming criminals, then we can put them behind the bars, or if they are too dangerous, then we can eliminate them. So I realized that a psychopath only thinks about living a luxury life. They can't digest that. They can't digest that. They can't digest that they not having a luxurious life. And if you get serious, then they will think about killing you. And this is very important to understand. Every individual should understand this. Suppose I sat with a psychopath, assuming that they will give equal contribution for building something, to create something. Maybe it could be creative, or it could be some kind of changes in the society. If I say, and if I find that, if I point them, if I say they are incapable, then immediately their reaction will be they want to kill me. They can do whatever they want. So you be careful before choosing next partner, be it your life partner or a business partner, or choosing a boss or a friend or someone, because they are not thinking like you. They want comforts. Their priority is only comforts. They can't work. They only think about comforts. They imagine like they are living a comfortable life and someone is working for them as their slaves, and they think they are the biggest personal. That is the thing, and people have to identify this. And if everyone knows this and looks at all the politicians and the policemen, so we can stop many crimes. And I can feel that many innocent people are being targeted, many innocent people are being tortured, but I didn't realize why. What is the drive that is making them to be so cruel on innocent people? The problem is these innocent people are accusing them of something, being incapable, being serious, of being to some kind of being ignorant or corrupt. They are getting so angry that they are planning, they are looking to kill them, they are looking to hurt them. It could go to any extent. So we have to stop these kind of crime. And I'm very serious, and I won't leave anyone who is corrupt, who is a psychopath. And they are existing. They could be, you could be a police officer, you could be an army officer who had reached the highest ranks by fooling people with your emotional words. And you will see how brutal I'll be if I stay alive.